Daly City 900 and Daly City 1000 is the smart car multimedia every driver needs. Ranging from 9 inches to 10.1 inches ergonomic IPC capacitive touchscreen displays. You can choose the preferred screen size and be captivated by its function. In the box, you will get your Daly City receiver, power cable to power up the device, audio cable for sound output, reverse camera cable to support a HD camera, GPS antenna for locating purposes, 2 USB input cables, external microphone and user manual. Its straightforward wiring diagram offers effortless installation process. It supports 1080 FHD playback and phone link for smartphone screen projection. Powered by Android 9.0, the device is capable of optimal functionality operation. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more videos.